Give a brief description of electromagnetic radiation. We know that sun is the primary source of light on Earth. This light is a form of radiation which consists of both electrical and magnetic components, whose directions are mutually perpendicular and perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the radiation. Such a radiation is called electromagnetic radiation. Thus, electromagnetic radiation is radiation which consists of both electric and magnetic components oscillating perpendicular to each other and to the direction of propagation of the radiation. Electromagnetic waves travel in the form of waves similar to that of ocean waves. These waves have peak points known as crests and bottom points known as troughs. The distance between any two successive crests or troughs is called the wavelength of the electromagnetic wave. And the number of crests or troughs that pass through a point in 1 second is called its frequency. Wavelength is represented by lambda and is measured in meters, while frequency is represented by lowercase f and measured in hertz or cycles per second. The energy E carried by an electromagnetic radiation depends on the frequency f and wavelength lambda of the waves, where h is the Planck constant and c is the speed of light in vacuum. The range of all possible energy, wavelength or frequency of an electromagnetic radiation is called electromagnetic spectrum. It consists of very large wavelength radio waves having very small energy. As the wavelength decreases, the frequency and energy of EM waves increase to microwave, infrared wave, visible waves, ultraviolet waves, X-rays and gamma rays. Related terms are